explain mo.
Okay, just a ref. Conversation. Yun!
Hobo!
You can put this in the garage. And they're like, why would you put it in the garage? Kasi it's cold, diba? It's more than why do you put it in the garage?
So why do you put it in the garage?
Kasi ka malamig. Okay, di ba sabi, kasi may nagsabi you can put this in the ref daw. Eh, pwede mo rin ilagay sa garage, di ba? Kailangan ko sa garage may ref naman. Ito lang naman eh. No, guys. Sa garage. Hindi naman yung malaki. Hindi ka tulad sa cake? May cake sa ref. I'm suggesting na... Guys, okay. If not all of you na merong garage. Pam, you're saying... No, mali. Pam saying, mawa kayo sa parents nyo. Yeah. No. Okay, guys.
Carry on.
You're twisting my words. I said.
Okay, let her finish. No laughing.
Okay. Diba, ref? It's connected to the socket. So, it's producing kuryente, right? So, your parents are paying for the kuryente that you, on the ref. So, instead of using the ref, use the garage. So, you're suggesting put all the refs, like, yung mga gamit sa ref sa labas? Not really. What's the point? No, pagkain ka sa ref, no? Yeah. Kasi sabi ko dyan. Ano nga ba yun? Hindi naman charge for everything you put in the bag. I'm suggesting nga, and that this can be, what happened? Put in the garage nga. Ay, stop. Alam mo, sabihin mo yung kalabalo.